If you have brought a new AirPod for yourself and don't know how to connect it with your iPhone, then this video is for you. First-time users find it a bit tricky to connect their AirPods with an iPhone, so I'm gonna show a step-by-step tutorial for this. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is ready. Unlock your iPhone, and then turn on Bluetooth. To do this, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and turn this to the on position. Step 2. Open the AirPods case. To connect, you will need to bring the AirPods case closer to your iPhone. Make sure that the AirPods are inside the case, and bring your AirPod case next to your iPhone. Open the lid of the charging case. A pairing pop-up should now open up in your iPhone screen. If it doesn't show up, then close the lid and open it again. Step 3. Pair the iPod. So once the pairing pop-up shows up, tap Connect. Now your iPhone will tell you to double tap the front part of your AirPods charging case. So do that and your iPhone will connect. After that, you will get a few prompts like connect to Siri or controlling your AirPods by moving your head. So follow the next steps to enable them according to your preference and hit done. And you have successfully set up your AirPods with your iPhone. From now on, you can simply bring out your AirPods and use them to your liking. I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more handy tricks just like this. And I'll see you next time.